In this video, I'm about to show you how to set up Mailchimp in Zapier. First, navigate to the Zapier official website on your browser. Once logged in, click the Create button and select Zaps from the drop-down. You can also get help for automation by entering the text. Now, click the Trigger button and a list will appear to select apps. Here, search and choose the Mailchimp app. Next, click the Trigger event field and choose the event such as New Champagne. To connect to the account, hit the Sign In button. It'll take a few seconds and after that, provide your credential to log in. To authorize Zapier, scroll down and click Allow. Go to the next step and enter the required details including fields, audience, and status. After that, click Continue to the next step to test your trigger. Then, click Test Trigger to start testing it. Once you are done, hit the Continue with the selected Record button. Following that, select the Action app such as Google Sheets from the list. Now, click the Action Event field and choose the event such as Create Multiple Sheets. Later, provide the detail in the given fields to complete all the steps. Once you are done, run a test to make sure that contact is added in Mailchimp correctly. Your Mailchimp integration in Zapier is ready to automatically add or update subscribers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.